Hi, welcome to Jaylyn Cooking. I'm Jaylyn. Thank you all for watching our episode last week. This week we're going to be doing fried rice. We're going to put bacon and sausage and onion and vegetables. And it's going to be very, very good. So the first thing, oh, and of course rice. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the rice. And we have a rice cooker, and so it would work really well with making the rice easy and simple. So I will start with that. First you're going to do is take 3 cups of rice. And we have this handy dandy rice thing here. And we're going to put that in the rice cooker. And then we're going to take 3.5 cups of water. And pour that on top. And put the lid back on. Plug it in and hit the cook button. Now we're going to take our onion and our garlic and we're going to cut that up. And there's a trick that I've learned from watching other cooking shows. You cut it in half for leave the end on there. And then you're just going to, actually I'm going to get a little knife to do this. And you're just going to make little slices, but not all the way through. Like so. And then cut like that. And then you have nice cut. See? Nice cut onion. Put that to the side, and then we'll do the second one. And it's good to use as a little hold so you don't cut yourself. And then you get most of the onion there. I'll just put that in there. And then we're going to take our garlic. Oh yeah, onion likes to make you cry. I take about 3 giant cloves of garlic. And if you pound it like that, it'll be easy to peel off the skin. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, and then we're just going to take the tip off. Slice it. Then we're going to just go ahead and mince that. Actually, I have one of these, which is really nice, this scraper. Then I'm going to take my beef sausages that I got from Costco. The best stuff in the world, I say. Alright, and then I cut them in cubes. Alright, and what I usually do with the bacon is I get the ends and pieces pack at the grocery store, because you get some really good cuts of bacon sometimes you don't. And then you're just going to chop that. As you can see, it's got lots of meat on it, which is nice. It's almost like ham in a way, but it's smoked like bacon. Okay, we got all our meatsies cut up. So now we're gonna go to the oven, or the stove, and oven. And we're gonna put in our oil, just coat the bottom of the pan. So I have this really nice big pan. You can use a wok or a big pan or even a little pan, but I have this nice pan that I like to use. And I just coat the bottom of the pan. I'm going to let that sit there for a minute. So it heats up. While I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm going to work on my sauce. So here I have a cup of soy sauce and a cup of water. Then I'm going to take 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. And add that. And I'm going to take a tablespoon of garlic. And mix that up. Okay, put that back over here. Now we're going to take our garlic and our onions. And then I like to take one of these spoons and start cooking it up. Turn it up a little higher. And you're going to saute the onions and garlic until they're cooked. Alright, now our onions are pretty much cooked. Looks good. Then we're going to take our bacon, sausage, and it's just me and my husband, so this will last us at least 2 days. I take it for lunch at work. And now we're gonna go ahead and cook that together. Left-handed, haha. Alright, so now we've got our meat all cooked up with our onions. And then we're going to add our stir-fry mix that we got at Costco, which is a very nice, good mix. It's got green beans, carrots, and broccoli, and water chestnuts, and a little bit of red bell pepper. We're going to go ahead and do that. Saute it in there a little bit. You can pre-cook it. Sometimes I just use the frozen straight into the pot, or you can pre-cook it or let it defrost before you put it in. Get back in the pot. Alright, so now we're going to add our rice. And I'm going to use a heavier spoon to do that. Mix it all in. Down a little bit. If you find the rice that is sticking to the bottom of the pan, just turn down your heat and that should be good. Alright, that's really good mixed in. Then we're going to add our seasoning, or actually, I got pepper grinder, salt and pepper again. Come on. And then I use the Costco version of black pepper, and I use the Costco version of the black pepper, and then I got the Himalayan pink salt. And then we're gonna pour over our shoyu mixture, or if you're not Hawaiian, that soy sauce mixture, and then stir it up. And then you're just going to let it cook until the liquid gets all cooked in. And when that happens, we'll come back and scoop it up in our plate. And And there you go. Oh. So we're going to go ahead and let that cook until all the liquid gets cooked up. You're going to come back every 5 minutes to stir it up. I kind of do this to it because it helps. And then you're going to take some aluminum foil. So that it steams right in. If you're using a smaller pan, you can use your lid for your pan. I don't have a lid for here, so I use a thing. All right, so we'll be back as soon as it's ready, and we'll go ahead and serve it up. Hi guys, so it's been about 15-20 minutes, and the rice is all cooked up and yummy. So we're going to go ahead and scoop it up into the plate. So in this episode I used fresh rice so I can show you how to make the rice. But traditionally you want to use day-old rice because it would be dried out a little bit. So you would have whatever you're going to have your rice with the night before, and then the next day you're going to have your fried rice. It would be a little bit easier to soak up the water content in the shoyu and the water, and it might not be as sticky, but I don't know, it looks good to me. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for liking my show, and remember to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see our future episodes. Thank you. Bye guys.